Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now it's time for the fun part, making the perfect chicken marsala and sharing some tips to get it just right. Preparing the chicken and ingredients. Start with the chicken. If you're using breasts, place them between parchment paper and pound them to an even 1/2 inch thickness. This prevents dry spots and helps them cook fast. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy here, it's your foundation for flavor. Next, prep your extras. Slice mushrooms thick, about 1/4 inch, so they keep their texture. Mince shallots finely, they should dissolve into the sauce, not crunch. Measure out marsala wine and chicken stock so they're ready to go. A quick tip. Heat your pan, stainless steel or cast iron works best, before adding oil. This helps the chicken get that golden sear instead of sticking. Mastering the marsala wine reduction. The sauce makes this dish special. After searing the chicken, about 3-4 minutes per side, set it aside and add the mushrooms to the same pan. Let them brown for 3 minutes, don't stir too much, or they'll steam instead of caramelize. Once the mushrooms have color, push them to the side and toss in the shallots. Cook until they soften, about 1 minute, then pour in the marsala wine. Let it bubble aggressively for 30 seconds to burn off the alcohol, then scrape up the browned bits stuck to the pan. Here's where patience pays off. Add the chicken stock and simmer until the sauce reduces by half. Stir occasionally, and watch it thicken into a glaze. If you rush this step, the sauce will taste thin and weak. Combining flavors for the perfect dish. Return the chicken to the pan, nestling it into the sauce. Let it cook for another 2 minutes to soak up flavor. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh thyme or parsley. The herbs brighten up the richness. Optional but luxurious. Stir in a splash of heavy cream or a pat of butter for extra silkiness. Serve hot, with the sauce spooned over the top. Mashed potatoes or pasta catch every drop, but crusty bread works just as well. The key takeaway. Don't overcrowd the pan, and let the sauce reduce properly. Those 2 steps separate good chicken marsala from great. Tips and tricks for the best chicken marsala. Making chicken marsala seems simple, but tiny adjustments can turn it from good to unforgettable. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned cook, these tips help you avoid pitfalls and boost flavor at every step. Avoiding common cooking mistakes. Even small missteps can dull the dish's impact. Here's how to sidestep them. Overcrowding the pan. Cook chicken in batches if needed. A crowded pan steams instead of sears, leaving you with pale, soggy meat. Skipping the fond. Those browned bits stuck to the pan. Their flavor gold. Deglaze thoroughly with marsala to lift every bit. Underseasoning. Salt your chicken generously before cooking. The sauce will balance it out. Rushing the reduction. Let the sauce simmer until it coats the back of a spoon. Too thin, and it'll taste watery. One extra tip. Don't move the chicken too soon. Let it sear undisturbed for 3-4 minutes to develop a crust. Peek too early, and it'll stick. Enhancing flavor with herbs and spices. The right herbs add brightness to the rich sauce. Try these combos. Fresh thyme. Add a few sprigs while reducing the sauce for earthy depth. Parsley. Sprinkle chopped parsley at the end for a fresh contrast. Garlic. Minced garlic, added with the shallots, gives a subtle kick without overpowering. For a bolder twist, rub the chicken with smoked paprika before searing. It adds warmth without clashing with the marsala. Pairing chicken marsala with side dishes. The sauce is the star, so choose sides that soak it up without competing. Creamy polenta. Acts like a blank canvas for the savory sauce. Buttered egg noodles. Simple, quick, and comforting. Roasted asparagus. Its mild bitterness balances the dish's richness. If you want something heartier, garlic mashed potatoes or a crisp arugula salad work just as well. The goal: let the chicken marsala shine. Variations of chicken marsala around the world. Chicken marsala has jumped borders and taken on new flavors along the way. While the classic version remains a favorite, chefs and home cooks have put their own spin on it. Some stay close to tradition, while others take bold creative leaps. American versus Italian interpretations. The Italian original keeps it simple. Sicilian cooks use dry marsala wine, minimal herbs, and just enough sauce to coat the chicken. The focus is on the wine's natural sweetness balanced with earthy mushrooms. In the U.S., the dish often gets a richer twist. Thicker sauce. Reduced longer or enriched with butter and cream. More garlic and herbs. Italian-American versions might add extra garlic, oregano, or even a splash of balsamic vinegar. Pounded chicken. American recipes often use thinner cutlets for faster cooking. Fun fact: some Italian-American versions swap marsala for sherry or white wine, though purists say it's not the same. Creative twists on the traditional recipe. Once you master the basics, experimenting is easy. Here are some global-inspired takes. Mediterranean style. Add sun-dried tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and a pinch of rosemary. French twist. Swap marsala for cognac, finish with Dijon mustard and tarragon. Spicy kick. Stir in Calabrian chilies or red pepper flakes for heat. For a lighter version, try skinless thighs or even turkey cutlets. Vegetarians can use portobello mushrooms in place of chicken. The rich sauce works just as well. No matter how you tweak it, the key is balancing sweetness and savoriness. Too much cream masks the wine. Too little salt lets the flavors fall flat. Start with the classic, then make it your own. Chicken marsala proves that great food doesn't need complicated techniques, just the right ingredients and a little patience. Whether you stick to the Sicilian classic or add your own twist, the result is always a dish that feels both comforting and special. The next time you cook it, trust the process. Sear the chicken hard, let the sauce reduce slowly, and serve it with something that soaks up every last drop. Hungry for more? Try it with fresh herbs or a new side dish, then share your favorite version in the comments below. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.